Hello friends, today we'll discuss about the network topology. What is network topology and how that work? Type of network topology and advantage and disadvantage of network topology. So let's start. What is network topology? Network topology is a arrangement of elements. Elements means what? Link, nodes, computer, server. Okay. Network topology is a arrangement of elements of communication network. Topology defines the structure of the network of how all the components are interconnected to each other. Top- Topology basically we can say that is arrangement of a computer in a network. How you arrange the computer so that can easily connected with each other. Okay, now we will see type of network topology. Type of network topology: bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, and tree topology, and hybrid topology. There are six types of topology. We will discuss one by one. What is bus topology? Means how we connect the computer through the bus topology, and with the ring topology and a star topology we will discuss one by one all. Okay, now I start with the bus topology. What is bus topology? You know that topology what? Topology is a arrangement of a system component in a network. We are actually creating the network of a component or system. Okay, now we'll see what is bus topology and how we connect all the computers within a particular area or in office with bus topology. Okay, bus topology: every computer and network device is connected to a single cable. Means what? There is a single cable and all the network device those you want to connect in the network, that only use that single cable. Means what? That cable is act like a backbone of the network. And second point, it transmit data only in one direction. Okay, now we'll see how computer connected in a bus topology. This let's this is a backbone of the bus topology. Main cable, that's a main cable, and all computer that's want to that's connect only with through this cable, like this. One computer connected, second computer connected, third connected, fourth connected, fifth connected, sixth connected, seventh connected. Means what? If you want to add another computer, then you need to add that connection with this main cable. Okay, this is look like a bus. Okay, now we'll see the advantage and disadvantage of bus topology. Advantage: easy installation. Is advantage: we have to only connect with the backbone cable, yeah, or main cable. Each cable need to connected with the backbone cables. Less cable required. Less cable required. Okay. Disadvantage: not scalable, as there is limit of how many nodes you can connect with backbone cable. Backbone cable is, if you establish the backbone cable uh, in particular distance, then only some computer attached with that backbone cable. And second disadvantage, if common cables means backbone cable, main cable fails, then whole networks fail. So this is the disadvantage of the bus topology. Now we will see other topology, a star topology. What is a star topology? A star topology is topology in which all the computers are connected to a single hub, switch or central computer through a cable. This hub is the central node and all other nodes are connected to the central node. Means what? Hub act like a server. Hub act like a server and all the client computer connected with that server. The central computer is known as server and the peripheral devices attached to the server are known as client. Means that a star topology look like a star. There is a one main central computer or main computer, you can say that, like a hub and all the other computer connected with that hub. That startup usually look like this, that is one hub and other computer. If computer want to attach with the network, that's connect with the hub like this. So what is the disadvantage of this topology? Disadvantage, we will see that, but before that we will see the advantage: fast performance and low network traffic. Hub can be upgraded easily. We can, if you want to attach more computer in this network, you can upgrade the hub and we can attach easily. Easy to set up and modify. Only that node is affected which has failed. If one computer fails, then whole network not fails. So this is advantage over the bus topology. In the bus topology, what is in the bus topology? Bus topology, main cable fails, then whole network fails. But in this topology, if one computer fails, then that not affect other computer. But if hub fail in that case, a hub fail in that case, all the networks collapse. Disadvantage: cost of installation is high because we are using the hub, central computer or server. If the hub fails, then the whole network is stopped. Performance is based on the hub. That is also one disadvantage. If hub is not a high quality, you can say that, powerful, then we can only connect some computers. Okay, this is the advantage and disadvantage of star topology. Now we will move further. Ring topology. Ring topology is a network topology that form a ring of node and each computer is connected to another computer with the last one connected to the first. Exactly two neighbor for each other. Means what? That actually form a ring. In a ring you can, means you can say कि one computer connect with the uh, two neighbor computers. Each device in a ring topology has a repeater. If received data is intended for other device, then repeater forward this data until the intended device receive it. Means what? Each device in a ring topology has a repeater. If data received in the data move in the ring, and if that data is for the particular computer, then that okay. If that is not for the particular computer, means what? That is for other computer, that simply forward that in a network. That ring topology look like this: one computer, another computer, another computer, another computer, another computer, and another computer. Means what? For this computer, two neighbor. For this computer, two neighbor. For this, two neighbors. For this, two neighbors, like that. That actually form a ring. Now we'll see the advantage and disadvantage of ring topology. Advantage: easy to install. Add or remove a device from a topology. Only two links are required to change. If you want to add any other device in between these two devices, what we have to do? Only change the link. Only change the two links between these device. Disadvantage: adding or deleting the computer disturb the network activity. If you try to add or remove the system, that's stop the network activity for the particular time sometimes. Another disadvantage: failure of one computer disturb the whole network. Data will not pass in a ring because shifter will not work and data will not pass in the ring. So that's a disadvantage. Now we'll move further. Mesh topology. Mesh topology is an arrangement of a network in which computers are interconnected with each other through various redundant connections. There are multiple paths from one computer to another computer. Means what? Each computer connected with the each computer. Each computer connected with the each computer. In mesh topology, each device is connected to every other device on the network through a dedicated point-to-point link. Point-to-point link means what? Every device can easily communicate with the other device in this type of topology. Now we'll see the advantage and disadvantage. First we see how that look like this, like this. In this topology, every device, this one is connected with all three, this one connected with all three, like this. Means what? One computer connect with the all computer in a network. Okay, now we'll see the advantage and disadvantage of mesh topology. Advantage: fault is diagnosed easily, provides security and privacy because all computers are connected to each other that can easily share data without interfering the other component. So that provides the security. Adding a new device would not disturb the communication between the other device. In this main advantage of this type of topology, if you trying to change or add new device, then that network will not destroy or not disturb other computers. Communication is very fast between the nodes because all computers are connected, all nodes are connected with each other, so communication very fast. Drawback: cabling cost is more because each computer is connected to the each other, so cabling cost is more obvious. Installation and configuration is difficult, so messy type of network. Okay, now we will move further. Tree topology. Tree topology is a type of a structure in which all the computers are connected with each other in hierarchical fashion. It has a root node and all other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. It is also called hierarchical topology. Means what? This type of topology follow the hierarchical connection. Hierarchical connection means what? Just like a human hierarchy: grandparents, parents, child, like that. Now we'll see how that is look like this. This is a main node, and that there is a two child, and first child I have two children, second child has two children, like that. This is like a tree. This first computer is known as root computer and other is a child computer. You can say that. Now we will move further or see that advantage or disadvantage of this type of topology. Expansion of a node is possible and easy. We can easily connect with the leaf node, leaf computer. We can easily attach with the leaf computer, easily managed and maintained. Error detection is easily done. We can easily check the errors. And disadvantage of this type of topology: if more nodes are added, maintenance is difficult. If there is so many nodes in this type of topology, then maintenance, so messy type of maintenance, no, you can't easily maintain that type of topology, that type of network. If central hub fail, the network fail. Same like a star topology and bus topology. If main root computers fail, then all the computers networks are disturbed. Simply. Now we'll move further. Hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a collection of two or more networks. You can say a combination of two or more topology is known as hybrid topology. This topology is a collection of two or more topologies. Simply, we can add bus and a star. That's become a hybrid topology. We can add star, bus, ring, and all become a hybrid topology. That's look like this. This is a bus, a star. We are adding a star now. Ring, tree, bus topology, a star topology, ring topology, and tree topology all now become a hybrid topology. That is known as a hybrid topology. Now you will see the advantage and disadvantage of this. Advantage: reliable, as error detecting and troubleshooting is easy. Scalable, as size can be increased easily. Disadvantage: complex in design, because there is a too many topology mixture is there, so complex in design, and maintenance is also so difficult. That's it, costly. Every type of topology is added in this, so that is costly. There is a more wire is required in that type of topology. Okay, now thank you those, thank you friends.